Let's begin by gently warming up and loosening your joints. This 14-minute Tai Chi workout helps reduce stress, support healthy cortisol levels, burn belly fat, and reduce visceral fat. Gentle, no jumping, just smooth movements that leave you feeling calmer, lighter, and naturally stronger. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, 2, 1. Start. Lower into a comfortable horse stance with steady control. Then rise smoothly to begin again. This movement gently engages your core and supports healthy belly fat reduction. Next exercise. Three, 2, 1. Begin. Step out gently as your chest opens and your elbows draw back. Breathe naturally and enjoy the stretch across your chest while encouraging better posture. Exercise 3. Three, 2, 1. Join me. Reach upward with ease. Then sink into a relaxed horse stance as your hands return. This flowing motion activates your core and helps support visceral fat reduction while keeping the movement smooth and controlled. Exercise 4. Three, 2, 1. Let's begin. Rotate softly from side to side with light heel lifts, letting your arms move naturally. Stay balanced and keep the motion easy, relaxed, and controlled. Exercise 5. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Lift your knee with steady control while keeping your torso tall and stable. Stay balanced through the supporting leg and move with calm, confident rhythm. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Lean forward with control as one leg extends behind you and reach ahead with purpose. This movement improves balance while encouraging your body to burn belly fat naturally. Exercise 7. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Press your palms together and rise smoothly from the stance, reaching overhead with ease. Breathe naturally and feel a gentle stretch through your spine as you lengthen upward. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Lift your knee with quiet control as the opposite hand reaches down toward your foot. Stay steady on the supporting leg and move with calm, focused awareness. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin.
Keep your arms softly rounded overhead as you lift one knee with control. Stay tall through your spine and maintain steady balance before switching to the other side.
Exercise 10. Three, 2, 1. Follow along. Turn through your waist as your hands press forward and your weight shifts smoothly. This flowing rotation encourages healthy spinal mobility and keeps your movements connected. Next exercise. Full body cool down. Let your whole body relax as you breathe naturally and release any remaining tension. Slow, mindful breathing helps calm your body and supports healthy cortisol levels, leaving you feeling refreshed and at ease. You've just given your body 14 minutes of calm, mindful movement. And that matters more than you think. Real change comes from showing up consistently. Keep moving with me, and you'll feel the difference. Subscribe and join me for the next Tai Chi session.